Here is our executive hitch. There are actually two versions of this hitch, what we call a fifth wheel kingpin and a fifth to goose conversion. These hitches are simply two variations of the same thing. Both of them are incredibly easy to set up and there is no drilling involved in mounting them. This bolt pattern allows the hitch to be mounted to almost any RV or trailer out on the market right now. It is also fully adjustable so you can raise or lower it to your desired height. Along with the executive's compatibility, this Torsion-Flex technology makes it one of the smoothest riding pin boxes on the market. This technology at the bottom carries the weight, acting as a cushion to absorb the movement of whatever it is being towed. Our customers have reported that they are seeing up to 3 miles per gallon in fuel savings, and their tires are lasting longer because there's less wear and tear due to this technology. The result is an incredible and more enjoyable towing experience. The executive pin boxes are available in two different connection styles. The Kingpin allows you to hook onto the fifth wheel hitch in the bed of your truck, while the fifth to goose conversion hooks to the gooseneck ball, so there is no need to remove the fifth wheel from the truck every time you're done towing. The advantage of the fifth goose is that it frees up your truck bed when the RV is not being towed, making it perfect for all your camping needs.